going so
We're
slow.
not.
Jude, yeah, race for the rail.
All right, guys. So if you didn't know, my brother is a rider too.
Oh yeah.
He's here, so we're gonna be racing head to head around our little trail, and let me know what y'all think about the Barilla Snaps hoodies. Let's go. We got the website cooking right now. We're making it, and we're gonna be selling them pretty quick. We got 2 hoodies, a hat. What else we got? What else? Is that it? Shirt. 3 hoodies, a hat. Yeah, 3 hoodies, a hat, and a shirt, I think is coming. So stay tuned for that. So we got the GoPro right here. Me and Jude are gonna go head to head and see who's faster. I'm gonna give him 5 seconds of a head start to get down the trail, and then I'm gonna catch him and I'm gonna beat him, and then
I don't think
he's
that's
gonna
gonna
cry,
happen.
and then I'm gonna win.
No, I think I'm gonna win the rails. Okay, and then you're gonna finish dead last.
Oh, okay.
Yes,
Okay.
that's
Noted.
that's all that's gonna happen.
All right, I got that.
All right, yeah.
We're gonna get it all on the GoPro.
I bet.
Let's get it.
All right.
Who's gonna do 5 seconds? Why don't we just start for 3? Like, why don't we really start?
What do you mean?
Like head to head. Why does it need a head start? It's on the GT.
I'm a beginner.
All right.
No.
I would
3
think
seconds.
5 seconds is pretty fast. Like,
5.
Out of time.
All right, all right.
5.
All right, bro.
Huh?
We're gonna start together.
Let's start
No,
together.
no,
Start together.
no. 3
If
seconds.
it's bad,
You
we'll.
just get it. You
If
just
it's
get it, but don't-
okay, if it's bad, we'll restart.
Clean race. Nobody gets hurt. Okay. All right.
I can't
ready?
guarantee
Are you
that.
ready?
I cannot guarantee
Hey,
that.
are you ready?
You ready?
I cannot guarantee that I won't hurt Noah.
Okay. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
I'm ready.
Okay.
ready?
On your mark. Get set. Go.
I didn't lose by that much.
I think that took 1 minute, by the way.
Had me.
You ain't even had your car.
I almost had you, bro.
You almost had me.
Dude, I almost had you. You almost had me. You never had me. You never had your car.
You ain't even had your one wheel.
Nah.
Be talking about where your feet are gonna end up when you're riding a board, whether it's tricking or whether it's riding or doing whatever. Riding like this, you're probably incorrect. Oh. 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 Yo guys, we're in the studio and we're gonna be watching professional riders and see what their stances are. This is lemonade, right? The lemonade race? Yeah. All right, this is the lemonade. So we got Jafari in second. Jafari's in second right now. Who's that up there?
I don't know, they zoomed.
Dang, he's... Dude, how's he getting so much speed?